Depot on the beat.
Take note to mind all of the crap in between the badges. This car is in the process of being polished, so that's why you'll see all of these particles inside. That's just compound. All good. There you have it, all done and dusted on the X6 M60i. So we did numericals, we did propeller badges, X6 over there, wheel badges, steering badge, and see front badge. It does have an engine badge, but it currently has some stuff on it that we do not want to touch because it's part of ritual. So, but yeah, car looks good, looks awesome. Probably blacked out now, even that. And yeah. Tune into the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.